Welcome to Waterline Boats and Boatshed, Seattle. I'm Dave Carlson, and today I'm bringing you a 1995 Sea Ray 290 Sundancer. This is one ideal small family, either cruiser, day boat, long distance to the San Juans in a hurry, maximum speed 30 miles an hour, cruises at 20, and features a new 375 horsepower Mercruiser engine, which was oversized from what was standard equipment. This was installed in 2000 and has about 300 hours on it. The boat has just come out of the shop with new bottom paint and current maintenance and tune-up on the engine, so it's ready to go this summer. Entrance is from a nice transom door right off the swim step, and here we are in the cockpit with this nice bimini cover. Easy access to the side decks and forward. There's storage under these seats. The interior features lots of nice white surfaces with nice attractive upholstery and lots of teak trim. There's a lot of daylight from the overhead hatches, which provide light and ventilation. This dinette converts for sleeping for two. The portside galley features a Norcold refrigerator, 2-burner propane stove, microwave, lots of galley storage. Now a peek into the forward cabin. Sliding seat there for access to the bunk. Mirrors and plenty of storage again, and light and ventilation from the overhead hatch. This boat features an aft cabin, another sleeping for two with a sliding privacy door. For more information, we invite you to go to waterlineboats.com or boatshedseattle.com. Call Dave Carlson at 206-979-4433 and you can get a private showing. We don't think this boat will last long on the market. It's attractively priced and ready to go. Thank you for watching.